Hello everyone, welcome to Tricky Math. In last video we have learnt rules for writing Roman numerals. In that we have learnt rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 4. In this video we are going to learn rule 5. Before going to learn that one, once let us revise. First rule. What is the first rule? In first rule, I, X, C, M can be repeated. These four symbols can be, to write the numbers, these four symbols can be repeated. But which symbols never repeated? Yes, V, L, D. These three symbols never repeated and never subtracted. That is rule 5. What is rule 5? V, L, D. Never subtracted and never repeated. Only I, X, C, M can be repeated. And those symbols also subtracted also. Let us see how can subtract. See, first one in that I letter, I symbol can be subtracted. I can be subtracted from only V and X only. Cannot be subtracted. I cannot be subtracted from L, C, D and M. Okay na? Let us see some examples on this concept. I can be subtracted from V and X only na. So IV, it means 5 minus 1. In these two, I is smaller, V is greater. From rule number 3, if a number smaller numeral written to the left of the greater numeral, it should be subtracted. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Like that, IX also should be written like this. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now, see, X can be subtracted from L and C. But X cannot be subtracted from V, X, D and M. Remember these points, children. See, second one, X can be subtracted from L and C. XL. Here X is 10, L is 50. So this is smaller, this is greater. It should be subtracted. Smaller number should be subtracted from greater value. So 50 minus 10 is 40. Like that. XC. X means 10, C means 100. This smaller value should be subtracted from 100. 100 minus 10 is 90. Now third one. C also can be subtracted from only D and M only. But C cannot be subtracted from V, X, L and C. Let us see how should subtract. CD. CD means, C means 100, D means 500. So value of D is 500, value of C is 100. In these two, C is smaller na. So this smaller value should be subtracted from greater value. So 500 minus 100 is 400. Like that, CM. C is 100, M is 1000. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. Okay na? Yes. We have to follow these rules. Rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to follow these rules while we are writing Roman numbers. While we are writing Roman numbers, we should follow rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us see how to write Roman numbers corresponding their Hindu-Arabic numbers. Let us write, children. See, 1 to 40 I am going to write in this video. Hindu-Arabic numbers, we know already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that I have written up to 40 Hindu-Arabic numbers. Now I am going to write Roman numbers corresponding these Hindu-Arabic numbers. We know 1. 1 represents in Roman number system. Yes, I. Next, 2. How can you write 2? 1 plus 1. In Hindu numbers, Hindu-Arabic numbers only, we can write 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 1 can be written I. 2 times I. 2 can be written in Roman numeral system 2 times I. 3 also we can write I. 3 times I means 3 only. Yes. 4. How can you write 4? 4 times I? No, it is wrong. By Roman rule for 1. By rule 1, I can be repeated maximum 3 times only. Cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So here 4 can be written as I V only. Now we know already 5. How can you write 5 V only? Now 6. I am going to write 6 as 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 5 means V, 1 means I. Like that. 7. How can you write 7? 5 plus 1 plus 1. 5, write as V, 1, 1. I. Next, 8 also write like that only. V, I. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is 8. Now 9. Can you write V, I 4 times? No, because of I repeated only 3 times only. So we can write 9 as IX. Next, 10. We know already. In 7 basic symbols it is there. 10 can be written as X. Now if you know these 10 and 7 basic symbols, we can write from 11 to more numbers. Other numbers we can write. See, we know X 10 as X. 11 can be written as 10 plus 1 na? 10 plus 1. If you know 10, we can write 11 also. 10 means X, 1 means I. Like that 12 can be written as 10 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 1 means I plus 1. I means 12. Now 13. 13. How can you write? 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 means X, I. Now coming to 14. 14 can be written as 10 plus 4. We know 10. How can I write 10? Yes, X. Now we know 4. IV. 4. Like that only. 10 plus 5. 15. XV. 10 plus 6. X. 6. We can write VI. Next 17. 10 plus 7. 10. X. 7. VI. Next 18. 10 plus 8. We know already how to write 8. VI. Now 19 can be written as 10 plus 9. 10 X 9 we know IX. Like that 20. 20 means 10 plus 10. So X repeated 2 times. X 10 plus 10 20. Like that we can write 21 also. We know already 20. 20 means XX 1 I. 22 XX 2 times I. 23 means 20 plus 3. XX 3 we can write 3 times I. 24 2 times X IV. 4 means IV. Like that we can write so many numbers. 25 20 plus 5. 26 20 plus VI means XX VI. 27 20 plus 7 we can write VII. 28 XX VII. 10 plus 10 20 25 26 27 28 like that. Now 29 XX IX. 30 3 times X. We know 30, 1 to 9 numbers also. We can write 31 to 39. 31 3 times X I. 32 3 times X means 30. 2 times I 32. 3 times X 3 times I. It is 33. 34 3 times X IV. Here see IV 4. 34. Now 35 3 times X. It means 35 we can write as V. Now 36 3 times X 36 we can write VI. 37 3 times X means 37 VII. 3 times X VII. Now 39 3 times X. 9 can be written as IX. We know already. Now 40. How can you write children 40? 4 times X? No. Because of X can be repeated only 40 we cannot write like this, children. 40, 4 times x. It is wrong. It is wrong. We can write 40 as 50 minus 10. 50. 50 means L, 10, x. XL is 40. XL is 40. In next video, we will learn more Roman numerals corresponding Hindu numbers. I hope you understand this video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.